Have you ever wondered what kind of glasses you need to safely view a solar eclipse? The answer is not your regular sunglasses. It is crucial to use certified solar eclipse glasses to protect your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. The wrong eyewear can lead to permanent eye damage. We're talking about your vision here, so it's not something to take lightly. In this video, we'll dive into the world of solar eclipse glasses, highlighting different brands. Today, we'll be comparing different brands of solar eclipse glasses to help you make an informed decision. When choosing solar eclipse glasses, what factors should you consider? Safety certification is paramount. Look for glasses that meet the ISO 12312 international standard for safe direct solar viewing. These glasses block out all harmful ultraviolet and infrared light, and nearly all intense visible light for safe viewing. Next, consider the lens quality. High-quality lenses provide a sharper, crisper view of the sun, enhancing your viewing experience. They should be free from scratches and imperfections that could distort the image or cause discomfort. Thirdly, don't overlook the importance of frame comfort. The glasses should fit snugly on your face and should not cause discomfort even when worn for extended periods. They should also be sturdy enough to withstand a bit of handling without falling apart. Lastly, price is always a factor. Solar eclipse glasses can range from a few dollars to over $20, depending on the brand and features. Now that we know what to look for, let's dive into the different brands available on the market. There are several brands of solar eclipse glasses available, but which ones stand out? Let's start with Eclipse Glasses by Solar Eclipse International. These are known for their top-notch safety certification. They meet the ISO 12312 international safety standard, offering complete protection against harmful solar radiation. However, where they excel in safety, they lack a bit in comfort. The frames are rather basic and may not be the most comfortable for prolonged wear. Next up, we have the Solar Shield by Foster Grant. Their glasses offer superior lens quality, providing crisp, sharp images of the celestial spectacle. The downside? They come with a higher price tag compared to other brands, but for those who prioritize image clarity, the cost might be worth it. Moving on to the Suncatcher Eclipse glasses. These glasses are a great balance of affordability and quality. They have a reliable safety certification and decent lens quality, but the standout feature? Their comfort. The frames are designed with user comfort in mind, making them ideal for those long eclipse viewing sessions. Then there's the Celestron EclipSmart solar shades. These are a premium option. They boast an exceptional safety certification and top-grade lens quality. The frame comfort is also commendable. But all these features come at a premium price, making them a suitable choice for those willing to splurge a bit. Finally, we have the Rainbow Symphony Eclipse glasses. These glasses are the budget-friendly option. While they have a good safety certification and decent lens quality, their frames are not the most comfortable. However, for those on a tight budget, these glasses offer a good balance between cost and quality. So, there you have it. Each brand offers something unique. Eclipse Glasses by Solar Eclipse International for safety, Solar Shield for lens quality, Suncatcher for comfort, Celestron EclipSmart for a premium experience, and Rainbow Symphony for budget friendliness. Each brand has its strengths and weaknesses, but the best choice depends on your specific needs. Let's recap what we've discussed today. Selecting the best solar eclipse glasses is crucial to safely enjoy the breathtaking spectacle of a solar eclipse. It's not a decision to make lightly, as the health of your eyes is at stake. First, we've delved into the criteria for choosing solar eclipse glasses. The glasses must have certification indicating that they meet the international standard ISO 12312 for safe direct viewing of the sun. The lenses should be free of scratches or damages, and the frames should fit securely. Also, the glasses should not be older than 3 years. Next, we compared a variety of brands available in the market. We discussed the pros and cons of each, considering factors like cost, comfort, and the quality of the viewing experience they provide. Some brands stood out for their exceptional quality, such as Eclipse Glasses by American Paper Optics, Solar Eclipse Spectacles by Rainbow Symphony, and Sinoculars by Lunt Solar Systems. However, remember that the best solar eclipse glasses for you would depend on your specific needs and preferences. Do you prefer a cheaper option, or are you willing to invest a bit more for added comfort and superior viewing experience? Weigh these factors carefully before making your decision. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when viewing a solar eclipse. Choose your glasses wisely.